In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to protect your Google Sheets by locking specific cells, effectively creating your very own password-protected section within your sheet. This is a great way to ensure that sensitive data stays unchanged while still allowing others to view or edit the rest of the document. So, let's get started. First things first, open up your Google Sheet where you want to apply these changes. If you don't have one open, just navigate to your Google Drive and launch the desired spreadsheet. Once you have your Google Sheet open, we need to focus on the cells you want to protect. For this tutorial, let's work with cells E1 through E8. Highlight these cells by clicking and dragging your mouse over them. This step designates the specific area you want to protect from any unintended modifications. Now, let's navigate to the top of your screen and click on the Data tab in the menu bar. This is where you'll find various options to manage the data and its organization within your sheet. From the drop-down menu that appears, search for and select Protect Sheets and Ranges. Clicking here will open up a side panel on the right-hand side of your screen. This side panel is where you'll be customizing the protection settings for your chosen cells. Within this side panel, you'll see an option labeled Range that you need to click. Selecting this option is crucial because it specifies that you want to set protections on a specific range of cells rather than the entire sheet. Once you've clicked on Range, you'll see a field labeled Enter a Description. It's helpful to give your locked cells a descriptive tag, especially if you're managing multiple protected ranges. Here, type in Locked to easily identify the protected area later. After typing your description, you'll notice a button labeled Set Permissions. Click on this to proceed to the permission setting stage. Here, you'll define who can edit the locked cells. You may want to restrict this to only yourself or a select few, depending on your use case. Once you've configured these settings to your liking, it's time to finalize everything. Return to the Protection side panel and click on Done. This final step completes the protection process. By following these steps, you've successfully locked cells in your Google Sheet, safeguarding important information from unintentional edits. This method is a simple yet effective way to maintain control over who has access to certain data within shared documents. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any further questions or would like to share your own tips on protecting Google Sheets, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, happy spreadsheeting.